Maugong ngayon ang pangalan ng Quezon City 1st District Representative na si Arjo Atayde matapos ngang i-deny niya ang involvement sa sinasabing scheme ng mga contractors lalo na sina Sara at Carly Diskaya na may kinalaman sa government projects. Matatandang isa si Arjo Atayde sa mga lawmakers at government officials na tinag ni na Diskaya at may aligasyon tungkol sa corruption na nangyayari sa flood control projects. Pero ito ay i-deny ni Arjo at sinabi ang ganito, I categorically deny the allegation that I benefited from any contractor. I have never dealt with them. Hindi po totoo ang mga akusasyong ito. I have never used my position for personal gain and I never will. I will avail of all remedies under the law to clear my name and hold accountable those who spread these falsehoods. Kumalat din sa social media ang litrato na kasama ni Arjo Atayde, sina Sara at Curly Diskaya na kung saan ay kinlarify din ni Arjo na wala namang ibang dahilan ang nasabing litrato. Ayon kay Arjo, totoo na pumunta sa opisina namin ang mga Diskaya. This was around 2022 and we met with them just like any visitor to our district office. It was a quick hi hello and picture taking since it wasn't a planned meeting. It was the first and last time I met with them. We never talked about any project and I've never dealt with them. At dahil dito, tinawag ni Maine Mendoza na baseless ang nasabing accusation at narito ang kanyang mensahe sa X. Teka lang muna, those are baseless allegations. Please refrain from throwing hate and personal attacks at him, including me and our family until facts come out. I am with my husband in this. Wala siyang ginagawang masama sa loob. He has been doing his best to serve the people of his district in Quezon City since the beginning. I sincerely hope and pray that the people who are truly responsible will be held accountable and that innocent individuals be spared from this mess. Napaka-unfair. Nagbigay naman ng kani-kanilang opinyon ang mga netizens sa X. Ayon sa isang netizen, flood gave me you. To show what is real, there is no more lie and that's how we feel. Sabi pa ng isa, in the court of public opinion, a politician tainted by corruption is already guilty and rightly so. Public office is not a privilege to be milked. It is a trust, break it and you deserve the presumption of guilt until you can claw back the truth. Sabi ng mga Diskaya, meron silang vouchers and ledgers kung kailan nila napareceive yung SOPs. Sa puntong ito ay napakarami ring mga pangalan mula sa mga mambabatas at pati na rin ilan sa DPWH ang ibinigay naman ng mag-asawang Curly at Sara Diskaya.